I love Kolsch's, so absolutely. But if you all have something else in mind that like either the pollen would go into, so.
We have historically done a few honey Kolsch's.
Okay.
So it definitely, and I think it goes over well. It lets the other flavors express quite a bit.
Okay.
So I totally agree with that. I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
So this is the pollen.
So that's pollen. And so people use that as like a natural sweetener instead of sugar. They put it in like yogurt, smoothies.
So it's actually sweet. I'm gonna eat some of it. I'm just so it
has
like when I eat it, it's gonna be almost like sugary.
It's a slight sweetness.
Okay.
But yeah, so you've got that, and then this is propolis.
You guys want to smell these? I'm not. I did some research on both of them.
Yeah.
You're right. That one's a little more rare.
Yeah.
That has been used quite a bit.
Okay.
So
yeah.
Technique to get it into beer, I'm a little more comfortable with that. But I'm still very curious.
This, I love this stuff. It's natural resins they find off of trees and bark and sap.
What do the bees do with that?
So that is literally like bee medicine.
Okay.
If there's a crack, if there's a dead animal inside their hive, they'll entomb it, and it has so many antimicrobial, fungal, all that inflammatory stuff.
So it's different than the comb. It's like something else that they produce to do different stuff with.
Yep.
Interesting.
So this stuff is propolis. So this is like this is resins that the bees find off of tree buds, off of sap, off of bark. And so it is highly antimicrobial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, all that stuff. It's extremely sticky. It's almost like I call it bee glue. A lot of other people call it bee glue. The bees will use this to seal up their hive. If there's a crack in the wooden boxes I have them in, or in the tree cavity that they are living in, if they don't like something, if they don't like the size of the entrance, they'll use propolis to make the entrance smaller. There was once a dead mouse in a hive that I heard about, and they used propolis to entomb the mouse. That way any contaminants from that dead mouse couldn't infect the hive. So this stuff is pretty medicinal from what I've read and what I've seen, and it would be awesome to make a beer with it. Yeah. So they'll propolize all those cracks and stuff, and that's why I have to really jar on the boxes to get it cracked open. And then this stuff, it is pretty rare. It does sell. I sell it for about $10 an ounce at markets and whatnot. And yeah, people buy it here and there. It's not super popular, but people are willing to buy it whenever I do have enough of it scraped off of hives.
So this is
propolis. Propolis. So
say that.
A lot of people will actually put that into like a high proof alcohol and make a tincture out of it, and then use it on they have a sore throat, or they're feeling sick. But the bee.
It's it definitely has a little bit of medicinal.
The bees use it as literally like medicine.
You know
for
what
the
that
hive.
is? You ever heard of
There's
that?
something the best example is
it almost smells like tea a
Yeah.
little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting. Smelling this now, I would like to try to incorporate this.
Yeah, no, I would think it would be awesome if we could figure out a way. Like I said, and it's definitely the rarer of the two.
Yeah.
That stuff sells for $10 an ounce.
Oh shit. Okay.
I would gladly donate if we're making beer.
I'm wondering how much
Yeah.
I need, because I don't know, and there's not much information about it out there. There's a lot more information about this one out there.
Yeah.
But I think we should probably do, regardless of which one we do, I don't think we should do both. I think
Right.
it's too much.
Yeah, absolutely.
Do one or the other.
Yep.
And then
That's why I brought everything. Yeah.
And then maybe down the road we'll play with one or the other. But I would also supplement with some honey too.
Okay. Yeah.
I think, unless you think you want to get just that profile.
If we need to, I can absolutely supplement with honey. Do you want to try both the honeys?
For sure. Yeah. Oh, I definitely do.
So this is the spring blossom honey, your traditional wildflower honey.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Was worried about how floral it would be. It's not. It's
right.
fine.
Yeah.
It's great.
This is the fall blossom. Not nearly as sweet. More earthy and rich.
More myself.
Yeah.
Not this time of year though, but.
Right. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, you put that in a stout or something dark.
Yeah.
Yeah. Either you guys anyone want to try any honey? Wait, this is the...
That's the spring blossom, yep.
Yeah. I love that one, but if we do one, we should probably do this one in a beer.
Yeah.
Especially this time of year.
Yep, absolutely.
A little lighter.
Yep.
That though, oh man, if we put that like in an imperial stout or something.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh goodness.
Future collaborations.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. No, absolutely. Well, I do a lot of honey beers, so like I'll buy honey, you know what I mean? Like, okay, this is the spring blossom. I gave you guys a lot, sorry. You don't have to. All right, now I'm gonna bring you the fall. I love how dramatically different they are. I love that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I love that.
I wish we would. I wish the lantern flies would be more prevalent this year to make lantern fly honey, because it is.
I have
a very unique honey.
I got them. I got them in the beer garden. I already got the little.
Yeah.
They're in stage 1 right now. Okay, this is man down. This is the fall, and you guys are going to be amazed how different it is.
So if we could do like the spring blossom with some incorporating the propolis somehow. I don't know. I mean, that's where I'm leaving it up to you all for.
No, I mean, if that's what you want to do, I'm willing to try it. If I try to eat some of this, is it going to hurt me? Okay. I mean by hurt, like it's going to be like a really strong taste.
No.
Can you eat that? Can I chew on it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to chew on this first. Yeah. It's more waxy than I thought it would be.
Yeah. And then that's why people put it in that high proof alcohol to bring out.
I might have to do a tincture.
Yeah.
And then add that tincture.
Yeah.
It's risky.
Did you say whiskey?
It's risky.
Oh.
I'm just afraid, especially that it's like really expensive.
Yeah.
How I might try to do it and we don't perceive it at all.
Yeah.
If I made a tincture or like a tea of some kind, I mean, what do people do with it?
So they will make that tincture, and if you got a sore throat, they take a couple drops, or people find the antimicrobial and bacterial and antifungal properties, and put it in their tea or put it in their coffee. That's usually it. People make a salve out of it, put it on cuts, wounds.
Have you ever seen it in a beverage of some kind?
Rarely. And it's more international that I've seen it than, in the Americas, we'll say.
So, I mean, I've made tinctures before, right? This one could be tough.
Okay.
I'm just saying there's a possibility that we do it and it doesn't come out how I want it.
Right.
If we're both willing to accept the risk,
Yep.
then I say we do that one because I think it's very unique.
Yeah.
But I think either way, we should pair the spring blossom honey with it.
Yeah.
I will have to do some research. I did some basic research on it,
Yeah.
but yeah, I think it can work. If it's at the right low threshold, it will make a super unique beer.
Okay.
I don't know how much I'm gonna need.
Yeah.
I gotta do a little research,
Okay.
but if you want to go for it,
I mean,
I'm in.
What do you think, Mr. Filmmaker?
Yeah.
This is also your thing.
I mean, I feel like I'm biased because I love the sours, so I really like really sweet drinks. What did you guys say you were gonna make? What was the?
Kolsch.
So what is that? Is that a?
Kolsch is like a light ale, essentially.
Yeah.
It's not. It's just a very standard beer.
Yeah, yeah. So I mean, I don't know. I don't drink a lot of other beers besides sours.
That's awesome. We're in.
Okay.
You want to do it? We'll
Yeah.
try to do it. I have no idea how much I could possibly need, so
Okay.
I need to do some
Okay.
deep dive science research on it,
Yep.
and then I'll let you know like what I'm thinking about
Okay.
amount wise. If that doesn't align, we'll just do the bee pollen, which
Yep.
I know will extract
Yeah.
just fine.
Yeah. When you brew a batch of beer, like how much are you going to be making? Just out of curiosity.
Yeah. We're not going to brew it at Hazelwood, so we'll brew it here.
Okay.
Probably do a 2 or 3 barrel batch.
Okay.
If 3 barrel batch probably makes sense. You're looking at, if we do that much, if we do a 3 barrel, we're looking at like 20 cases.
That's awesome.
So,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
and they'll be draft. It'll be drafted
Yep.
at probably all 3 places
Yeah.
too. It'll be on
Okay.
draft. So,
Nice. Let me know what you need. I'll see what I have available.
but we'll release the cans the day of the documentary thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. I'll let you know when it's brewing and when it's canning.
Yeah.
You don't have to come, but you'll be welcome to
Yeah.
come.
Oh, yeah, I would
okay.
love to be here.
Okay. Okay.